Wake up to modern minimalism and everyday convenience at June Homes, 60647. A student abode offering you campus closeness and all the good things of uni life in the dynamic spirit of Chicago. Depending on which of these handsome new non-ensuite you pick, you can enjoy a cozy bed, roomy closet, big screen TV, heating to keep things toasty, in-unit laundry to skip tiring laundromat runs, and a smartly equipped kitchen for easy cooking feats. Check this out. Your new home places you just moments away from DePaul University, Kendall College, and a web of other esteemed institutions. So all it takes is a quick drive to get to campus. You'll always be on time. Dive into the city with ease and speed. Just hop onto a bus from the stops in Chicago or Sacramento, or catch the subway from Kedzie. It's that simple. The perfect student home won't wait forever, and neither should you. Secure your dream life in Chicago at June Homes 60647 via amberstudent.com today.